Now, the mango tree at Sahadatganj village in Badaयूं is a symbol of paralyzing fear. It was on that tree's branches that those two poor girls were hanged last week after being gang raped. That tree now has a different kind of draw.
Well, the tree has interestingly become a source of hope, a rallying point for the poor and the oppressed from villages nearby who've watched this Badaयूं story become a national headline and wonder why their own stories of suffering have been missed. Ankit Tyagi brings you a report that you must watch.
In the last week or so, this tree where the girls were found hanging has also become a point of hope for many others, those who have been coming from as far as 70 kilometers so that the media here can highlight their issues. Their stories could be told because in Uttar Pradesh there are hundreds and thousands of cases where people are just waiting for the police to act, their voices to be heard.
4 different people, 4 different causes, 4 different stories, 4 different wishes at Katra Sadatpur's mango tree turned the tree of hope. This boy's 17-year-old sister was kidnapped in front of his own eyes at gunpoint about 45 days ago. The accused from the dominant Yadav clan, who is also a teacher, allegedly dragged her in full public view from her house when their parents were away working in the fields.
पुलिस में मतलब कोई कार्रवाई नहीं हो रही है. जब अगर पुलिस के पास जाते हैं, थाने जाते हैं, बिनावर थाने, तो सर मतलब जो उनका चाचा है विशेष यादव, उनकी परिचय है, मतलब उनका खास आदमी बनवारी सिंह जी का है.
50-year-old Jaspal has come to the mango tree with his own tale of sorrow. His wife was beaten up by goons and the police have not taken any action till date. A very broke Jaspal borrowed 80 rupees to make this journey from his village, a journey to make a wish.
पुलिस ने कार्रवाई एफआईआर दर्ज हो गई सर, पर उनको गिरफ्तार नहीं किया अभी तक. वो हमें धमकी दे रहे हैं और हमें तमंचा दिखाते हैं और कहते हैं जो कर मिले कर ले, और ज्यादा पैर भी करेगा तो ये भी मार देंगे.
Inspector Ram's father couldn't bear the shock of his daughter's charred body being brought to his house and passed away soon after. She was allegedly burnt to death for dowry by her in-laws. The police didn't do a thing. Ram is here with his old mother, hoping for divine help.
पुलिस ने कुछ नहीं किया सर. पुलिस ने ऐसे में एफआईआर दर्ज करने के बाद में कुछ नहीं किया. ना पुलिस आज तक पहुंची है और पता लगा कि वो फरार हैं. हम कहते हैं बार बार पुलिस जाएगी, पकड़ेगी, लेकिन आज तक कोई भी उनके यहाँ पर कोई भी नहीं पहुँचा है. यहाँ पर इसलिए आए थे कि हमारे लिए, हमारे दिल को शांति मिल जाएगी यहाँ से, और उन लोगों के लिए कड़ी से कड़ी सजा मिलने के लिए कोई भी सुनवाई हो सकती है.
The poor old father has been running pillar to post to get the killers of his son arrested. It has been 2 years since his son went missing along with his new tractor. Mange Ram has knocked on every door. The police now claims that a skeleton they have found is his son's.
मुंजिम घूम रहे ऐसे ही फरार, कोई मुकदमा नहीं कायम, उस पर लोन भी है. अच्छा ट्रैक्टर, और वो कह रहे वो नखलऊ जांच गई है, कंकाल मिली थी, तो कोई जांच गई है, जांच आई नहीं, दरोगा ये कह देता है.
The list is endless and my hands are full with these applications, copies of which have been marked to every office possible. This is the sad story of India's most populous state, where the poor and those on the lowest step of the society are being oppressed and left with a deep sense of injustice. The highly reluctant and politicized police force doesn't care. And even after 66 years of independence, these back and beyond places of the country are still waiting for their voices to be heard, as justice in these nondescript towns is deeply divided in castes. With camera person Premchand Mishra, Ankit Tyagi in Badaयूं for Headlines Today.